Hey guys, this is Deepina, your neighborhood chronic illness warrior, and I'm here to remind you that life doesn't stop when pain begins. It's just the beginning of the most powerful transformation. So, today's video is going to be about my disease and my illness journey and my identity beyond it. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first question, what illness do I have? Well, I have three autoimmune diseases. Two are related to kidneys, and one is related to thyroid. So, the kidney related autoimmune diseases that I have are IgA nephropathy and FSGN, and the thyroid related one is called Hashimoto thyroiditis. When was I diagnosed, and how old was I at that time? When I was diagnosed, I was 16 years old. What were the first symptoms I experienced? The very first symptoms that I experienced were there was a significant swelling near my eye region, this portion. And then there was water retention was happening. Sometimes my legs used to swell up, my face used to be all puffed up. And one of the major symptoms would be hematuria, which means loss of blood through urine. How did my life change after the diagnosis? Well, when I was diagnosed, I used to live in Hyderabad, and when I was told that I would be facing renal failure in the future, the very one of the very of many things that my doctor told me was that once your chronic illness journey begins, there are a lot of things that you'll have to give up. One of them would be traveling. There will be a lot of food restrictions, and a huge amount of lifestyle changes were required. What does my treatment look like today? Well, the diseases that I have, I am at the end stage. So I am at end stage renal failure, which means my kidneys don't work at all, which also means I have to be on dialysis. What is dialysis? Dialysis is it's basically a procedure in which a machine, with the help of a tube, the tube is called a dialyzer. With the help of the tube, it clears all the toxins from my blood. So what happens is, as you can see, this is my this portion. This is my fistula area. Okay, so one needle goes here and one needle goes here. So through one of the pipes, the blood goes into the dialyzer. It gets cleaned up, and then through the other, it goes inside. So this whole thing is called a fistula. AV fistula. AV fistula stands for artery vein fistula. It's basically a channel which helps in doing dialysis. When you're on dialysis, it's like how for chemotherapy you need a chemo port. Exactly like that, for dialysis you need a port. I go to dialysis every alternative day. You can say 3 times a week. On Saturdays and Sundays, I get a 2 day off. A dialysis session is of 4 hours. Basically, from dialysis, I'm also on a lot of medications. I specifically have migraine medications, heart-related medications, thyroid-related medications, bones-related medications. I have these medications. What is the hardest part of living with a chronic illness? To be very honest, when you're diagnosed with a chronic illness, especially the kind of one that I have, you have a lot of restrictions, food restrictions, and then you cannot travel for more than 2 days. You cannot go anywhere. So basically, what happens is you can survive without dialysis for maximum 2 days. Like for a person like me whose kidneys don't work at all. In the beginning, when you're diagnosed with this disease and when you're on dialysis, some people are recommended to take dialysis only 2 times a week, because then they have like a proper urine output, and their kidneys are still working. That's why only 2 days of dialysis suffices for them. But for a person like me who has been on dialysis for now, what, more than 9 years, my kidneys don't work at all. In fact, there is no urine output. So whatever I'm consuming, be it food, and whatever liquid intake is happening, everything gets stored in my blood. Only way it's clean is through dialysis. Yeah, what is the hardest part of living with a chronic illness? Like I was saying, you need to give up a lot of things. Like I haven't traveled for more than 2 days to any place in the past 9+ years. In fact, my doctor in Hyderabad, he actually told me that the disease that you're diagnosed with, in the future you will not be able to travel anywhere. What is something people don't see behind my smile? Honestly, I always try to smile and show it to the world that that dialysis is not affecting me, or I'm not getting affected by it, or I'm okay. To be very honest, dialysis is extremely painful. If you've ever seen my shots, you will see in a lot of in most of the videos, you can actually see the size of the needle, and the needle is so thick, like in the beginnings I cannot tell you how hard it was. Even now, like, it's hard. I mean, you don't ever get used to that kind of a feeling, needles being pierced in your body every other day. But yeah, I always try to stay positive. I would say I have a lot of willpower that actually keeps me going. I always think that yes, I do face a lot of pain, but I think my happiness can overcome the pain that I go through. I believe in that. I believe that my positive nature, my smile, my spirit, my strength to fight it will actually overcome the pain that I go through. So yeah, that is how I actually try to maintain myself. But yeah, it's not always easy. How do I balance my health and my dreams? So, as you all know, I have actually made my dreams revolve around my health and my lifestyle. So, my dream is to share my story with the world. I want to tell the world, I want to show the world that ये हुआ तो क्या हुआ, you can overcome anything. It's up to you how you want to live your life. There will come a lot of problems, a lot of issues, a lot of pain, a lot of heartbreaks, but if you decide that no, I will not let this affect me, nothing can touch you. Who am I today beyond the illness, beyond the struggles? I am strength. I am hope. I am an example to the world that yes, you have a lot of problems, you are going through a lot of pain, but it's not going to stop you from achieving your dreams. It's not going to stop you from doing anything. I am that sole example of it. I am going to prove it to the world that yeah, I have an illness, I have a lot of restrictions, but that doesn't mean I cannot fulfill my dreams. I will fulfill my dreams, and I will tell my story to the whole world, that about who I am and how I inspire and how I believe that I can do anything in spite of all the issues and problems that I go through on a daily basis. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can do anything and everything. It's the most important thing to do. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any other questions related to my illness, leave them down in the comment below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.